Hi friends, we always need a perfect website for our business, especially if it is a corporate level business like construction industry or factory or manufacturing or even you can say architecture business. Using WordPress, we can create wonderful websites in no time without having any technical knowledge, and we just need to select a perfect WordPress theme, suitable WordPress theme to start creating our website. We have seen hundreds of themes on this channel and other resources as well for WordPress website. In this video, I have a great WordPress theme to overview through which we can create corporate level business website for industrial sectors. What we can target using the theme that we are going to overview, we can create a construction business website, the industrial website, these are some looks, and a handyman services, factory website or architecture business website, the construction, and even second option is available interior design and even for a company. So I have already shown you some layouts. These great layouts are coming from the theme that we are going to use and overview in this video, and I'm sure you are going to like this theme. And once you decide to make a website using this theme, you can buy the theme through the video description. This is Bauer and it is a dedicated theme for construction and industrial services. And it is really a wonderful theme as it brings 9 pre-made demo websites. So you can choose any of these pre-made home pages and in fact complete pages for your prospective website, upcoming website, and you can start customizing the content and you can launch your website in no time. So the good thing is about in this video, I'm happy to record in fact because I have covered all the great WordPress theme on this channel, especially for this industry. You can explore other themes as well. This is not a promotional video, so you can explore other themes and select your desired theme, and even you can get in touch with the mentor at iCreate program to discuss about your website project, which theme or which resources can be great for your website and how you can proceed for installing and customizing your website. So all is for you. Just you need to buy the theme through the video description link. That is an affiliate link, and the theme is available just for $59 at themeforest.net. So no delays, and I am going to show you. I have already in fact installed this theme. Okay, so I can show you another screen where I was installing. Yes. Okay, so I got this wonderful message while I was installing this theme, and the installation remained actually smooth and successful. I'll show you very quickly how I install the theme. First, let us discuss about the features of the theme, what I got in this demo import, and what I followed the installation process and what navigation I have to customize our website so that you may get the complete idea what is available inside the theme. So import is complete, and here is the green mark, and congrats, your demo was imported successfully. You can now begin editing your site. So what I got in this demo import and how I installed this theme and what are the options available. First of all, I'll show you the media library. So it took around 5 minutes to me in importing the complete demo content, and I'll show you the steps as well. So 310 media items was included in the demo, so we can use these abstract images if there is any, and there are many in fact for our website, and we can start customizing our website. Okay, so as I shown, it offers 9-10 pre-made websites. You can choose any of these websites, and if we talk about the features what is available inside in the installed theme, so first of all I'll show you only the new things, like if you are going to maintain the projects, these are the projects, and you can edit the contents of the project that is being displayed on the website through this project area, and you can add new as well. Similarly, members are area, and the testimonials can be handled through these links, and the partners are also well available here. This theme uses WPBakery Page Builder, so note this point. And this is a wonderful page builder. As I always used to say, WPBakery is very prominent page builder, and it had been used in the theme pack for editing the content. Okay, so as I said, 310 media items. And if we are talking about the pages that we have received, all the home pages is well available here. And home industrial, home interior design, and home main, all home pages are here. So 24 published pages, and if we check the posts, so 19 posts are published already. Revolution slider is the hero image area. I mean the sliders that have been used, and you can edit the hero image using this slider revolution options. So I'll show you all the plugins that have been used, in fact, with the theme. And here are the list of plugins that is already installed and activated. Contact Home 7 is here as always. MailChimp for WordPress, MetaBox, and one-click demo import that I use for importing the demo content. Slider revolution for hero image, and this theme also well supports the WooCommerce. So we can run an e-commerce website using this theme. WPBakery is the page builder, as I said, and the WPRT add-ons for Bauer is the additional plugin that is adding more features to this website. In the theme pack, you'll get the elements like this is the demo content that you can use. Basically, sliders are here. We need to import the sliders separately. So all sliders have been given in the theme pack itself. And the documentation and licensing is always an integral part of the theme pack. Some plugins have been provided in the theme pack like Visual Composer and the Revolution Slider and WPRT add-ons. So you can use these plugins, install removable files just in case if and the auto installation does not work. Further, we have main theme file and the child theme file. Main theme file is having a size of 18 MB around, 19 MB in fact. So I installed the theme successfully. And if we are talking about the website that came after importing demo content, one thing is still remaining. So slider is not here. So what I do, I'll go to the home main. This is the slider. Slider 1 is not found. So we can simply import slider. In this way, I am also going to show you how to customize the website. So this is the ready page, and we can simply edit the page. Slider 1, first of all, we need to import. So I'll go to the backend again and go to the Revolution Slider. And here is the Revolution Slider. And we can simply import the Slider 1 that is available in the theme pack. You don't need to do anything, just import. And here is the option, manual import. And click to choose. In the theme pack, we have the demo. The Slider 1 can be selected. Simply here, slider1.zip, and as applicable for your selected demo. And now slider 1 is here, and now I can refresh this page. The slider should be here. Yes, it is very simple. So we have all the home pages. We can select any of these home pages, or as all the pages are active. Similarly, we can import the slider for the respective home pages, and all rest of the elements are well available on the page. Now coming to the point, how we can edit the content. So it is very simple. I'm going to refresh this page. First of all, home 1, I need home main. Okay. So I just imported the slider for this page, and for editing the content, we can simply click on edit page option, and here the WPBakery is active. For editing the slider part, we need to go in the slider revolution section. Like I'm going to open this slider as well, just for your knowledge. No thanks. To edit the slider content, simply edit on and click on the pencil icon and edit the contents. Just keep in mind, use the same dimension of image and same length of text that has been used in the demo content, so that you may maintain the design integrity. You can change the rest of the things. This is the text that is here, and again, okay. So simply just not forget to, if you are changing the image, optimize the image. And image can be loaded in the media library, media section. So this is the styling, and in the media, you can upload the media library images. It is going to be very simple. Just in case if you have any doubt, if you have any trouble, we can get in touch through the I Create live chat. Here is the live chat option at I Create website. All the links, respective links, all the necessary links has been given in the video description. Don't worry. So you can simply follow the link, start a chat here. Our mentor will get connected with you, and we are going to help you in every aspect for completing your website. Now, for editing the page content, you can simply go to the respective element and the section, and simply click on the pencil icon, and you can start editing the content. Like this is image, you can edit the image, you can edit the text, and similarly you can open page one by one. that you are going to use at your website and edit the content. And in this manner, your website is going to be complete. Now, you might be still thinking how you can install the theme, how easy it was. I know I did not show you. Now coming on the dashboard, and this is my complete website. It is already installed. I imported the slider as well, imported demo, and I shown you the import success screen as well. But still, I wish to show you how easily you can install the theme. So I'm going to reset this complete website that is ready, but I am going to reset this. So I'm using WP Reset Pro for resetting. It is not for you since I used to install multiple themes in a single day. So I'm using this plugin. I'm having this premium one. However, the WP Reset is also available for free. You can use just in case if you want a reset facility at your website. If you are willing to reset your website and make it on zero. Okay, so it is reset now, and I even need to install the basic theme because all the installation, all the contents is gone now. Nothing is here, and in the appearance, even theme is not here. So basic theme is not here, and I'm going to install the core theme, that is 2024, the default theme, I can say. Now the website is fresh, and I need to show you the basic installation steps. However, it is nothing about technical things. You don't need any technical skill for creating a WordPress website. Okay, so now our website is looking like this. Initially it was complete. I mean, the demo website was complete. Now I'm coming back to the themes area, and we'll upload the theme directly from here. Add a new theme, and we'll select the installable theme file. Upload theme option is here. Choose the installable theme file. That is Bauer_theme.zip. This is only the installable file. Don't try to upload the complete folder. It is a very common mistake. So people used to upload the complete folder through the file manager, and they interact with an error, the CSS not found or something like that. So just select the installable theme file. You can see the theme has been installed successfully, and we can check the details further. So I'm using the version 1.27. When you will order the theme through the video description link, you might be getting an updated version, but the installation process will remain almost same. I'm using the latest version as on date, but yes, you might be watching this video on later date, so you will be getting the updated theme as available. And yes, it is important to follow the video description link. I'm repeating again and again. So let us activate the theme. Upon activation, we have this alert that we need to install certain plugins, and here are the plugins. I have already shown you this plugin list. I'm going to select all these, and we'll select install, click on apply. Let us see how easily it can be done. I must tell you, I am using this shared hosting plan. It is a very low resource hosting, and it comes at negligible price. Yes, at negligible price, you can get this hosting plan that comes with cPanel, control panel at WP Themes website. Again, you have to follow the link. Go to the WP Themes website, go to the hosting tab, explore the plans or great hosting providers are there. Select a suitable one for you, and you will definitely get the hosting that you actually need for your corporate level website, basic website, or even e-commerce website. Okay, it is very simple. So all plugins got installed successfully without any trouble. You can see all green marks here. And another great thing, all installation and activation has been completed. So we don't need to activate plugins separately. All installed, all activated. Simply go to the dashboard, and we have successfully installed the theme and the plugin. So you can complete the WooCommerce setup just in case, and if you are willing to use the website for e-commerce activity as well. And all plugins have been successfully installed. I'll show you the plugin installer screen again, just to make you confident. All plugins have been installed, and the bakery page builder is here, and all great plugins. Okay, wonderful. So now let us take another look of our website, how it looks with the theme and plugins. Yes, so this is the basic look, and at the next step, we of course need to import the demo content to make a target website like any of these. We have multiple options with the Bauer WordPress theme, and for importing the demo content, we have simple option. Under appearance, import demo data. Just go to the section, and it is clearly written here. After you import this demo, you'll have to set up the slider separately as we did. So Simply click on the import demo data. On the next, continue and import. This will start the demo content import process, and definitely it is a time-taking process. It may take 5, 6, 10 minutes depending upon your host speed and the dependent factors that you are using. So if you are getting media items here, once you start the demo content, it means the demo content import process is going fine, and you need to wait on this screen. In certain interval, like a minute or so, you can check and refresh this page. If it is increasing, like here it is increasing, it means it is working fine. So you don't need to disturb this process. Just in case if any error, if you encounter any error here, if any error returns here and like import failed, don't worry. Just repeat the process and keep repeating until it shows you the import success screen. As I said, it depends on your host and settings and the parameters that you are using, like PHP parameters and the resources available at your server. So let the process complete and you'll definitely get the website like any of these as you want to have for your industrial and factory or architecture or whatever. So you can target with this. So construction and industrial WordPress theme Bauer is here, and we just overviewed the theme features in the installation process and the options available in the theme. And I believe I have shown you much of the things about the theme and the import process is going on. I'm not going to stretch this video further as I have already shown you the complete website as well after this import. Just use this theme and I'm sure you are going to get a wonderful website using this Bauer WordPress theme. And in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye, keep watching, keep building. Thank you.